What's up, chads, and welcome to today's video. So today we've got a new protocol on the Starknet Testnet, which has released their own testnet version of their application. This is Alpha Road. Now these guys have made a nice little Medium article that goes through and explains how to use their testnet guide. So I thought I'd make a little video on that and show you guys step by step how to use their testnet. So the first thing you need to do if you want to do anything on the Starknet testnet is you need to get yourself an ArgentX wallet. Now you can download this extension if you are using Chrome or Brave browser. So you want to go ahead and download that there. And once it's downloaded, you want to go ahead and open the extension. And you want to either create or import your wallet, just like you would do on any normal crypto hot wallet. And then once you created your account, it'll prompt you to, save your seed phrase and all that. And then you'll come up with something that looks similar to this, just like any normal hot wallet, like a MetaMask or anything like that. Now once you've got your ArgentX wallet available and ready, then you can go ahead and start the process of testing out the Alpha Road. Now these guys, they've got a swap, they've got some pools ready to use. So what you want to go ahead and do is connect your wallet. There we go. And once your wallet's connected, then what you can do is you can mint some tokens. You can mint some ARF-BTC, and you can mint some ETH, which then you can then use in this protocol. So you want to go ahead and click that, and then it'll bring you right over to the Starknet faucet, and you can copy and paste your wallet address in there and send. So once you've minted yourself some tokens, let's try it on this. There we go, and you've got some funds to use, and you can go ahead and you can see you've got Ethereum, ARF-BTC, Testnet token, and this one too, Astrally. So yeah, you can go ahead and do some swaps. So just go onto there. Maybe we want to swap it for some ETH, maybe. So put like maybe 25% in. See how much ETH that gives me. Yeah, obviously these are the beta versions, it says here, so things could be slow, transactions could take a long time. As I said, when I got some of those ARF-BTC tokens from the faucet, you can still see the transaction pending here. So yeah, we're going to go ahead and swap that, and there we go, it's gone through. Now according to the Medium article, I think just doing one transaction should be enough. Yeah, it requires only one transaction thanks to multi-call support. And then we can go ahead and use the pools as well. So I'm going to go over here to the pools. You want to click to, these are the different pools that you can add to. You want to go to add liquidity. And if you go into my liquidity, you can see yesterday I already made a pair myself. So here we go, add liquidity. So what was the ETH? Let's try that one. Oh yeah, I don't have any of that one. Yeah, but choose any ones that you want, the amount that you want, and then you can just add your liquidity there, and then it will appear here in my liquidity. So yeah, this is the Alpha Road testnet. So you can go ahead and use that to maybe qualify yourself for any upcoming airdrops in the future. So if you do like this kind of content, guys, please subscribe to the channel, please join the Discord, I'll leave a link in the description below. Thanks for listening as always, until next time.